application is called Tech8, standing for Technological Education. It basically starts to convince you your degree is a button away. So what it does is you don't need no internet, you don't need no connection. You just come here, you touch study, then you can select subject here. There are 4 subjects that I consider are essential, so which can be added or decreased. So on touching any subject, you can get the database. Since it's built in, you don't need no internet connection to download it. This is applied for all subjects. You can do exercises in all subjects, math, English, and the like. Then the answer keys are provided in there. After that, you can book an exam. Since exams cannot be conducted online, since it's that hard, there's cheating problem and the like. It's conducted in the school, so the school sends you an alert. For example, this an example alert says on November 24th from 2 to 4 p.m. At this campus there's English exam. So you book a campus, so this sends message to the school. So the school can book your seat for that day. The next is called a teacher. The formal way of learning, that is some amount of students at the class and the teacher is teaching. This is traditional. The best part of it is that you can contact the teacher anytime you want. Even if you're a Christian, you can understand something, you can contact the teacher. So to take that part, to take that feature, I have added a call teacher and the text the teacher. So you can call the teacher, this calls the school. So the phone is not, the school phone is not here. You can also text the teacher right here. If the question is not that big to go to the teacher or the lecturer, you can contact your classmate. Since you don't know your classmate that you're not learning together, the school can assign you a classmate, embedding the phone number of the student in here. You can also text the classmate. The next part is the tools part. Here, there's a sorry. Yeah. For example, let's welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, welcome by a place.
Welcome by a place you don't know.
So this can pronounce a word. It takes half of a book. You just have to copy it and paste it in here from the PDF, a website, whatever. So you can tell it to pronounce. After copying it, you can listen with an earphone or wherever you want. You can sit and study. The next one is calculator right here. It's just a simple calculator. It's not that much scientific. The 4 operations. Then after that, there are some normal, like common tips and formulas that students should know for math, for physics and like. So these are embedded in here. Formulas, for example, average formula, percentage formula, perimeter, area, and the like. These are built in. After that, if you want to have a broad view or a broad reference, KnowAtom is embedded in here. If you know KnowAtom?
Yes.
Yeah, KnowAtom, yeah. So it's embedded in here. You can study math by subject, science by engineering, and the like. So you can study. This is as a reference. So this is basically trying to convince your degrees a button away. You don't need no internet connection if you want to do the formal setting. Thank you.
How did you develop this? Did you hard coded some of it using?
Yeah, actually I do code. I used MIT App Inventor for this one. MIT App Inventor is the simple form of mobile development. There's Android Studio, Eclipse, and the like, but those require higher RAM, higher memory, and the like. So I used MIT App Inventors.
So it allows you to kind of put the different things together.
Put different things together is basically blocks.
APIs.
Yeah, just like Scratch.
Okay, cool.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So, why did you decide to try to solve this problem?
Yeah, this problem might not be, this one might not be a problem in your area, but in our area, schools are either overpopulated or there are no schools at all.
Okay.
In the city, it's not that much of a problem, but when you go to remote areas, in countryside, there's either no school at all, and if there is, it's overpopulated.
Okay.
Like one teacher for like 150 students in a 4x4 classroom. So if this is spread, for example, if a campus, for example, if Addis Ababa University or simply my high school wants to use this application, all they need to do is give me the database of the lessons, so I can embed it in the application. They give it to their students. So the students are supposed to come for exams only.
I see.
And for like STEM centers, the practice, the hands-on practice and the like can be done in the STEM centers, which are being developed now. For example, in my town, there's Hawass University, Hawass STEM Center. So for the practice, the students can go to the STEM centers. But for the lessons that they have to sit and write and the like, they can contact the school with this application. They don't need to go to the school or be in this much of a problem. Not only that, but overpopulated schools are easy for communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are spread faster in schools. For example, if a single student catches cold, that's it. The whole school catches cold. Because they're overpopulated. They're kids. They're basically students. So this is good. Plus, many people, many college dropouts, high school dropouts, their reason is to work. They want to work. So if you want to work, since this is self-paced, you can work on your daytime, you can study at night time, or whenever you create your time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you can learn it. Plus, in school, for example, there's a weekly schedule. Every teacher has a weekly schedule in our schools. So a teacher is supposed to teach part of a lesson in 1 week. So if the teacher is lazy, he will just sit by and joke around from Monday to Thursday. Then on Friday, the students are supposed to know a whole week lesson. So since this is self-paced, if you think you can study for 1 hour a day, you can study for 1 hour a day. Nobody has to force you. So basically, that's it.
How did you learn to use that tool? Did you by yourself? Did you download it off the web, or did they teach you that to study?
Yeah, since 8th grade, I've been learning from YouTube, basically from YouTube. I started with Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0, which is very, very old now. Starting with that, I learned that was C#. From that, I learned C++. Then I transferred to Java. Lately, actually, it's now been even a year. Now I can code HTML, I write PHP, I arrange SQLs, databases, C#, C++. Basically, I write many codes. But all of this I learned from YouTube. There are many.
Khan Academy does that too, right?
Yeah, Khan Academy. There's Khan Academy and Socratic. Actually, I answer many questions in Socratic just for the experience and for the thanks. They email you the thanks that people give you, so
Fantastic.
it feels good.
Good for you.